What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Phantom here, and you are watching Pointab Lab. You know what? Before we start the video, why don't you drop a like and hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification icon para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos na ina-upload ko. So yun nga, hindi na kita iistorbohin. Go ahead, watch my video, enjoy, just chill. Ciao! What is up, guys? Kamusta kayo dyan? It's been a while since I upload a new video on this channel, pero we're going to be back in the schedule na 2 to 3 videos tuwing linggo, or per week rather. And by the way, bago natin simulan itong video na to, I just want to explain kung bakit ako nawala sa YouTube channel ko for a very long time, for a couple of months actually. The reason is because, you know, kung naalala nyo nung yung first time na sinimulan ko tong channel na to, I'm only using mobile data to upload a YouTube tutorial or a video like this for you guys every week. So I'm only using Globe's, you know, Ghoster 50 to upload a video like this para maka-upload sa channel at maturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng or para lang ma-introduce kayo sa basic game development using Unreal Engine. But now is actually I have a very decent internet connection or internet, which is FiberX na ginagamit ko, which is Converge. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, so it's not sponsored by Converge ICT. Pero yeah, I'm using their Wi-Fi FiberX to upload this video later on because I'm still recording it. And that's basically the reason why I stopped YouTube for a couple of months, because actually medyo kasi mahirap mag-upload kasi sa mobile data you get traffic. It's not like you don't get traffic in Wi-Fi, but still you get traffic sa mobile data, mabagal, tapos minsan nagka-cancel pa siya. So kailangan ko ulit mag-upload ng 50 kasi 1 gig lang yung Ghoster 50, as may 2 gig siya pang YouTube, pero still sa kanya ayun yung problema dun. Kaya that's the reason why I stopped doing YouTube, because I've been spending a lot of money on uploading video. Saka it's not like I don't want to do that, but I still may mga binabayaran rin ako tulad ng bahay, you know, the rent of the house. But that's basically why I vanished from YouTube for a couple of months. But let's skip that part. Let's throw that in the past. Kasi starting from now on is I'll be uploading 2 to 3 videos per week tungkol sa Unreal Engine 4 development or game development gamit ang ating UE4 na napaka-powerful. So, okay. Let's go ahead and start the video. So, ang gagawin natin yung araw na to is AI or Artificial Intelligence, basic AI na kung saan susundan niya si player. Kung nakita niya si player, susundan niya to. At every time na, so basically every time na makita niya si player, susundan niya ito. At magsiset rin tayo ng rules kung saan siya pwedeng maglakad at kung saan siya hindi pwedeng maglakad. So, ngayon nasa content browser tayo, or Unreal Project browser rather, is siguraduhin mo lang na we're creating a new project for this video, and click on Blueprint. Hindi tayo gagamit ng C++, wala tayong compiler. I don't have a compiler, hindi ko pa in-install in Visual Studio. But let's click on Blueprint and click on, let's see, third person character or third person para may mapaglaruan tayo na template at makita natin kung paano gumagana yung basic AI na gagawin natin. So after that is just make sure na selected si desktop and console, tapos maximum quality, saka make sure na rin na selected si starter content para just in case kailangan natin ng props, may mapagkukunan tayo. And let's see, just save your project where you want to save it. It doesn't matter where you want to save it, but I recommend it's on a drive na marami kang space. And also, let's name this one artificial wala tayong C. Artificial AI. Ayan. Or artificial intel na lang. Katulad dyan. And then, once we're done, just click on create project, and it will load up our Unreal project editor. So I'll see you guys in the next step. Stay tuned. Okay, so now that we are here in our Unreal Engine editor, so ang una natin gagawin is, first things first guys, is we're going to create a folder na blueprint, or pangalan natin blueprint. Kahit may blueprints dito, huwag na natin ilagay doon, gawa tayo ng bago. Blueprint without S. Blueprint like that. And yan. So let's click on the blueprint. And first is, ang kailangan natin gawin ay, actually, I'm going to go ahead and set the rule for the character. Kung saan siya pwede maglakad, or kung saan pwede maglakad ang ating third or ang ating AI na gagamitin. So para magawa ko yun is, go ahead and go to this window and type in just type in nav, and makikita mo dun, yung pangatlo is nav mesh bounce volume. So idadrag lang natin siya gamit ating left mouse button sa ating scene. And then, something like that. That will be good to go. And nga pala guys, by the way, nav mesh bounce volume is yun yung gagamitin natin, or siya yung magsiset ng rule kung saan pwedeng maglakad yung ating AI at kung saan hindi siya pwedeng maglakad. So pag kinlik nyo yung P, makikita nyo yung sinasabi ko. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo yung square na to, dyan siya pwedeng maglakad ngayon kung ilalagay natin siya ngayon. So, syempre, kailangan natin palakihin yan para itong entire space na to at saka itong platform na to na may hagdanan ay pwede rin siya maglakad doon. So may two ways para magawa natin yun. First is, you can go ahead and go to details. Basta make sure na naka-click to. Yan, naka-highlight siya ng yellow. Saka highlighted siya sa ating world outliner. First is, go to details and scroll down hanggang makita mo tong brush settings na X, Y, Z. So, naka 200 sila ngayon. Pag dinagdagan ko tong value na to, nakita nyo, nag-a-adjust ang ating X value sa ating nav mesh bounce volume. Nga pala guys, kung di nyo alam to, it's a basic 3D tool, or 3D tool. You can search it on Google. And ito yun, X, Y, Z. But I'm not gonna do a tutorial about that. I'm not gonna break down the this one, the XYZ value, pero you can go ahead and search on Google. It's for a different video. So let's go ahead and resize this one. And also, kung ayaw nyo, kung di na kayo pumunta dito, you can always go ahead and click this guys here at the top of the screen, or top of the viewport. You can click this one. Ito nga pala, ito yung move. First one is move, katulad yan. And yung pangalawa is rotate. Yan, rotate, katulad yan. And yung third one is yung kailangan natin, which is yung pang-resize, katulad yan. Nakikita nyo. May shortcuts sa keyboard, which is, for this one is W, this one's E, and this one is R. So, R yung kailangan natin, i-resize ko lang gamit ito sa ating X value. And move ko lang siya para, let's resize it again, something like that. And resize rin natin siya sa ating, let's resize it on this one, sa ating Y value. And then once that's done, we can go ahead and also resize ang ating Z value. Kasi kung nakikita nyo, pwede na maglakad dito, pero pag just go down here, yung height nito, ito, hindi niya maabot. So, i-resize natin siya para pwede rin maglakad ang ating AI dito. Katulad yan, at let's go up. Yan, kung nakikita nyo, pwede na maglakad ang ating AI sa lugar na to, which is a good thing. Katulad yan. And once that's done, we can go ahead and leave that as it is right now. Tapos, X na natin to. Ang susunod natin gagawin ay balik tayo sa ating blueprint folder. At mag-right click tayo sa kahit saan dito. And then, let's create our blueprint class kung saan natin nilalagay yung function ng ating AI na gagawin. So, let's click on blueprint. Once that's done, so ang kailangan natin is a character or an AI na pwede siya maglakad, lumipad, or maglumangoy, something like that. So, may movement siya. So, ang kailangan natin is character. So, let's click on character. And let's go ahead and type type in the name for this guy as AI. So, once that's done, we're pretty much good to go. And kailangan natin siyang i-double click para mag-open ng ating blueprint editor at ma-edit na natin yung function ng ating AI. So, ngayon, nandito na tayo sa ating Unreal Engine editor. By the way, i-drag na lang natin tong window na to at i-dock natin siya katulad ng ginagawa natin na normal window sa mga browsers like Chrome para madali lang natin siya ma-access. So, once that's done is we can go ahead and add a new component. By the way, let's click on this guy first. Oh, yun, naka-highlight na siya ng yellow, so that means we're good to go. Let's add something here, cube, for example, na magre-represent sa ating AI. So, katulad nyan, let's go ahead and type this one is Mr. Kawaii or something like that. And then let's click on this one. By the way, bago nga pa natin click to, I forgot. I-drag mo lang si Mr. Kawaii sa mesh natin, which is ito yun. Tapos once it's done, nakikita mo may drag down na siya. So inherited na siya. So iisa na lang itong dalawang to. Let's go ahead and click on this one, which is the capsule component, or capsule component rather. Nabubulol tayo, pagpasensya na niyo na po. At kailangan natin gawin na bilog rin to, or sphere rather. So we're going to edit this one. Actually, I think this one's gonna be 90. Or, sorry, that's not 90 actually. Let's just set this one as 60.0, which is 60. Something like that. And for this guy, it's going to be 50, or, sorry. Is it 75? Yeah, 75. So, yun, bilog na siya. And next is, hindi pa gagalaw yan. Ang kailangan natin ay mag-a-add tayo ng component na function or component function na i-edit na mamaya na kung saan pag nakita niya si character or I want to follow this character, something like that. Nasusundan yung character. So, let's go ahead and type it here. Pawn sensing. And makikita mo tong pawn sensing na to. Let's click on that one. And pag ni-click mo si pawn sensing, okay. I think we're having some problems here. What's happening? Dapat may visible graphs ang ating pawn sensing, which is weird, but let's try to delete it once and then compile muna natin siya. Sorry, let's compile first and then add component and then click on pawn. Pawn, if click on pawn, what is happening? Supposedly may lalabas dapat dito, but it doesn't seem like it's working for this guy though. Ano ba yung kinlik natin dito? AI. That's what we're currently doing. And pawn sensing. Okay, so since it's not appearing here, let's not worry about this one first. Is yung una natin gagawin is let's locate this one, pawn sensing, then set natin yung kanyang sight radius ng ito nga paling field of view niya. So set lang natin to ng mga 50, ganyan, sight of view niya. Tapos sight radius is 3,000. Nga pala, gawin na natin tong 100 just in case na, you know. And let's click on compile. Then we should be good to go. Ayun. Ito yung hinahanap natin kanina, hindi lumalabas. So this is what we're looking for actually. Okay. We're good. Okay, so let's go ahead and so sa compile lang pala siya nagkaka-problema kanina. Compiler error. So now that we're good to go, let's click on sight radius na 3,000 actually. And sa field of view ng ating character, masyado pala siyang ano. So, yan, katulad yan, 50 na lang. 50, just to be on the safe side. So, let's click on compile, and let's edit the function of our AI here. So, first is, hindi natin kakailangan itong mga nodes na to. So, just drag down or hold down your left mouse button para mag-drag ka at ma-highlight mo itong nodes na to. And click on delete sa keyboard para matanggal siya. And let's just resize this guy kasi masyadong malaki yung space na kinakain niya sa screen. Pati yung compiler natin. So, okay. Next is click sa pawn sensing and then mag-right click ka lang kahit saan. Gamit ito, katulad nito, right click, and then mag-add tayo ng event na event dispatcher, which is add on C pawn. So pretty self-explanatory naman yung ating node na to. C pawn sensing. So it's the sense of sight na yung in-adjust natin kanina yung value. So pag nakita niya si kunwari si character is magsiset tayo ng function na oops, I wanna attack this character, I wanna help this character, or for this video we're going to create this guy as follow the character. So i-drag mo tong pawn na to gamit ang left mouse button, hold it down katulad dyan, at may lalabas na mga nodes dito, at i-type mo lang si cast to. Okay guys, so for you to learn the lesson here, kanino ba natin ikakast yung AI, or kanino ba natin, or basically sino yung gusto nating sundan? Si third person character. So basically ito yun, itong character na ito yun, ito yung kailangan, ito yung gusto nating sundan, di ba? So yun yung gagawin natin, which is, let's go back and drag it here, cast to third person character. Katulad yan, we can go ahead and type it here, or there we go, click that one, cast to third person character, just click on enter. Tapos ito na ngayon, dito natin i-cast yung ating function na siya yung susundan natin. Kung nakita siya ng ating AI, which is our pawn, na si third person yung kanyang target, at maglalagay tayo ng function na kung ano yung gustong gawin ng ating AI pag nakita niya ang ating third person character. So, i-drag mo lang itong pin na to, katulad ng ginawa natin dito sa isa. Gamit yung left mouse button mo, hold mo lang to at i-drag mo yan. And then, type in here, let's see, AI, move to. Yun yung kailangan nating blueprint nodes or nodes. So, let's click on this guy. And, ito ngayon. So, may mga, dito, may mga set of parameters and functions. Stop on overlap. So, kunwari, nag-overlap siya sa character natin. So, we can click on check here, or we can check the box para hindi siya mag-overlap sa ating character. Acceptance radius, let's not mess with this one. We don't need this one. Ang target natin ngayon is the pawn and actor. Huwag nyo problemahan yung destination, kasi kung nag-set ka ng destination, edi dun lang pupunta yung ating AI. Hindi niya susundan yung ating character. So, ang gagawin natin is let's click on the let's click on pawn. By the way, ganito natin siya. Yan yung kailangan natin. And let's disconnect this one kasi hindi yan yung ating break link to cast. Yan, katulad yan. So, ang kailangan natin is, bakit natin ginawang target actor is basically, sino ba yung kailangan nating sundan, which is our third person character. So, siya yung target actor natin. So, siya yung gagawin nating character na susundan ng ating AI. So, next is yung pawn. Pwede mo namang wag na lagyan ito ng value, pero just to explain, kasi nasa loob naman siya ng ating AI, pero just to explain what this one is we can go ahead and drag this guy and set this one to self. So, get a reference to self. At ano tong self na to? If we go down, if we go to our component section, you can see na AI. Yun yung self natin. So, sino ba si AI? Siya, yung sarili natin na si AI, which is our pawn, yun yung target natin, or yun yung i-move nating AI, or yun yung i-move nating self, na susundan si third person character na siya yung ating target actor. So, once again, i-explain ko kung ano to. Let's go back to the first one. Ito yung event natin. Si event natin na si on C pawn, which is our pawn sensing. Kung makikita niya si third person character, which is nakakast sa ating third person character, is ang gagawin niya ay mag-move siya, or mag-move siya sa ating character na as third person character, siya yung ating target, at si pawn na siya yung ating AI, which is the self. At pagkatapos nun, we are pretty good to go. Ito yun lang yung kailangan natin, at we also set sa a boolean here na stop on overlap para hindi mag-overlap yung ating mga character, at i-highlight mo lang to, and let's click on C. Nga pala guys, from now on, make sure na pag gumagawa ko ng blueprint nodes, make sure na lagi nyo lalagyan ng comment para hindi siya magulo para sa artist or sa mga team nyo, or kung kunwari game development team kayo, kailangan yung lagyan to. It's make it a habit para hindi magulo yung workflow ninyo or yung pipeline. So next is we're pretty good to go here. So I'm just going to fix this one here. Yan, huwag natin i-overlap yung mga ating wires. So i-resize natin, masyado siyang katulad yan. And then we can also change the color here if you want. Just click on the comment. Tapos I'm gonna change this to violet. Why not? Right. Okay, so nga pala itong comment na to, i-double click mo lang siya at i-type mo si Pon Sensing. At pwede mo rin siya lagyan description. Katulad yan. Katulad yan. And then if our AI see character and then AI will move to let's see, location. By the way, shinortcut ko lang siya, character to. And you can also set some comments here if you want, para hindi siya magulo, hindi mo makalimutan kung para saan siya. Pero for me, I'm good to go. And always click on compile. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, you are good to go. And para ma-check natin kung gumagana to is, we can either drag this one up here or something like this one. And let me see. Katulad yan. At siguro let's just resize this one kasi masyado siyang And okay, we're pretty good to go with that one. So let's just click and i-drag natin ngayon ang ating character sa ang ating AI character sa ating scene. So para magawa natin yun is we can just go ahead and drag this one using your left mouse button. Katulad nito. At ayan, may AI na tayo. At nakaset na rin yung kung saan siya pwedeng maglakad. At ito na rin yung sight niya. Sense of sight niya, which is yung green na lines na nakikita nyo. So I'm just gonna set it like this one and I'm just gonna go ahead and to make sure na gagana lahat is always save your progress. So save all. And save selected. And just wait for it. Yun, okay tayo mag-save dyan. And then let's go back to our blueprint para ma-demonstrate ko lang kung paano gumagana to. I'm sorry na medyo maliit yung screen ko, but I hope you could still see what I'm doing. And let's click on simulation on this one. Or even though if I don't click on simulation, it's still going to work if I click on play here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select the viewport to see and click play. So yan, katulad yan. Nakikita nyo, alis lang ako sa site ng aking character at AI rather. At kung nakikita nyo, tignan nyo itong blueprint na ginawa natin, which is this one, the blueprint. And pag nakita ko ni character, let's check it out. Nagsasend siya ng executable na, hey, I need to follow this guy. So, yun, sinusunod siya sa akin katulad niyan. At also, I'm gonna show you something, which is something na napaka awesome, which is just a quick second here. Automatic na yan, you don't need to worry about anything. Just make sure na nakita ka ng character, susunod ka niya. So for example, bumaba ako dito. Ang gagawin ni AI is hindi siya tatalon at instead maghahanap siya ng path kung saan siya pwedeng maglakad. But don't worry, your AI can still jump if you jump at the same time where your character is going. So that's pretty much about it, guys, and see you on the next one. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Also, click that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification icon para lagi kang updated every time I will upload a new video. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description below. So that's pretty much about it. I'll see you in the next one.